Sarah Jessica Parker returned to Big and Carrie's apartment while filming for And Just Like That, and fans are ecstatic. Filming for the Sex and the City spinoff, And Just Like That, is officially ramping up, and Sarah Jessica Parker, 56, gave us a much-needed sneak preview. She posted a slideshow of photos from Carrie and Big's apartment. Fans were speculating if Big, played by Chris Noth, 66, would return, but as filming has picked up, we've been seeing Chris on the set of the show. Sarah posted a slideshow of photos from the apartment with the caption, "Backlot. Stage. Married domicile. They build. They shoot. They make sure story is heard. They make our day. XSJ. In the photos, you can see the round blue ottoman and round wooden foyer table, plus, the gray patterned wallpaper which fans remember from the movies. Just the other day, SJP had fans reeling yet again when she posted a photo of her and Chris hugging while looking into each other's eyes, smiling with the caption, "These two. I bet they stay out late tonight. XSJ. Chris commented a bunch of whiskey glass emojis on her photo while fans gushed at the sight of Carrie and Big back together again. Fans took to the comments section to express how much they love the two of them, with one user writing, "Ah, amazing. I'm imagining Big calling Carrie kid right about now." Another person wrote, "My favorite couple forever and ever. Look at that chemistry." Related gallery. Sex and the City, the ladies' boyfriends and husbands. If this is just a snippet of what's to come on the upcoming HBO series, then we cannot wait for the show to come out.